Hello, my name is Sara. I am a postdoctoral researcher at the University of Leipzig in Germany. I did my PhD at the Potsdam Institute for Climate Impact Research, also in Germany, on air system science. And I hold a master's degree in applied mathematics and a bachelor's degree in civil engineering from the National University of Colombia. So I am originally from the tropics, from Medellin, Colombia, and I've been living in Germany for the last 4.5 years. I came to IIT Madras as part of my ongoing collaboration with Professor Sujith from the Aerospace Engineering Department. We have been collaborating for more than 2 years now. This collaboration started during my PhD. So, as I mentioned, my PhD is on air system science. This means that we use mathematics and physics to understand how the Earth operates as a, let's say, mixture of interconnected processes. So we analyze, for example, how the atmosphere is coupled with the ocean, how this coupling results in atmospheric circulation, and how this atmospheric circulation translates into extreme precipitation events. So our joint collaboration started because Professor Sujith does a lot of research on complex systems, and I was working at the complexity science department in Germany, at Peak in Germany. My professor in Germany, Professor Kurz, it's let's say long-term collaborator of Professor Sujith. We got introduced and we found that we both had a lot of interest about extreme precipitation events. So the first thing we did together is that we studied how the intertropical convergence zone, which is a band of clouds that we have over the tropics in our planet, is organized within like small groups that we call communities. And we work on this project for like, I will say 1 year, and we achieved joint publications on scientific reports last year. And after this, let's say, successful collaboration that resulted in a scientific publication, I was invited to come here to India to continue with our research. So what we're doing now is that we are extending this methodology. We are like finding small groups, but this time of extreme precipitation events within this intertropical convergence zone. These kind of studies are especially important when one wants to model the climate system and are like fundamental to forecasting and prediction of extreme precipitation events. I'm also very interested in what we call atmospheric complexity. So for example, the Indian monsoon is also pretty fascinating for me, and I really appreciate the opportunity that I have to come here to India, collaborate with my colleagues from IIT Madras, and see how important is the monsoon and the precipitation for this country. I'm here in India since early February, and I also had the opportunity to travel to North India for a week. And what I can say is that India is really a fascinating place. I've been so happy here in India. I really love Indian food, your chai, like your animals, all the trees you have here in the campus. This campus is absolutely beautiful, and it like reminds me a lot of my home country, Colombia, because it's also a tropical place. So it's been an unforgettable experience for me. I feel that I have learned so much about the Indian culture, and I have gained a lot of appreciation for India, its people, and its culture. So yeah, I just want to thank again for this amazing opportunity, which I'm sure I will remember forever.